challenge, and Biniam Girmay, no, it is Welsford on the line, and what a late finish and run by... Welsford's having a job keeping up with Van Poppel, and can Cave do his magic finish? He's going to have a go. He's on the left of the picture now as he launches shoulder to shoulder, but the challenge, and Biniam Girmay, no, it is Welsford on the line, and what a late finish and run by Girmay as well. The Caleb is not in on this one, as it is Israel. Oh, he's done it right on the line.
So Plappy-headed.
And where is Biniam Girmay in the light blue jersey trying to come out of this? This is the kick for the line. A look over the shoulder. Welsford does it again. Okay, revenge is sweet.
Trying to hold the wheel, mate.
Lovely. So still leading out for the line now. The line is not very far away. Girmay is trying to get on terms, but it's not going to be at the moment. The blue jersey coming down. Welsford. Welsford sees the finish. He looks over his shoulder. Happy birthday, Sam. 28 today.
No, look, we've still got a young.
The Tour de France. He's won the Tour of Spain. He's going again now because the sea in the top of the mountain. He's just lost ground now. This is for the yellow, for the ochre jersey. I'm sorry. Well, it looked as though they looked around, and he's on lead. Robin McEwen said he could be the surprise, and the surprise he is.
There's Yates back left behind the yellow helmet of Damien Howson. Yates poised. He's going to come forward,
and here he goes again. And boy, is he stringing out the riders. This and take it out in style in the leader's jersey. They've got not going to catch him. He's got the victory in ochre.
Viviani or Campbell Stewart almost comes undone on the final corner. They hit the Esplanade. They can see the finish line. It's Swift leading out for Viviani. The Italian, can he find his winning ways once again? Biniam Girmay is coming through in the fluoro colours for Intermarché. Corbin Strong also there for the Israel Premier Tech team. Pithy is making a move for the FDJ squad, but it's Benny who's brilliant and gets the win. Girmay takes the victory. Viviani in second. Corbin Strong rounds out the podium in third. And it was perfect timing by Biniam Girmay over the top of Viviani. His first win of the season, and I'm sure there'll be more to come. It's Girmay at the top of the leaderboard, Viviani in second spot. Also on the podium is Corbin Strong. Followed then by Milan Fretin and Lawrence Pithy making up the top 5. Rounding out the top 10 is Dan McClay. Just outside the top 10 in 12th position is Caleb Young. Let's now hear from the winner, Biniam Girmay.
Yeah, I think today, when I find myself in the last 600 meters in the top 5 position, I'm just thinking to cross the line, the first guy. Because I felt super good. Also with my team we did a good job. I think it's a bit fast sprint, so I'm a bit afraid with Caleb one and also Ila Viviani because they are also fast. And in the end, I think I had a good legs today. So after Tour Down Under, I felt super good. So I say to my team, today we need to control as soon as we can. We don't let them big group. Also in the end, we need to be smart to find the better wheel. In the end, I think we did a good job. Also, my team was super good. They did perfect until the end, and I think we are happy to have this victory.
It was a history-making season in 2022 for Biniam Girmay. Last year was full of its challenges. 2024, it gets off to a familiar start. He makes history again as the first ever winner of the Surf Coast Classic. Simmons, and now Molimer goes for the lead-out Trek team. He opens up. Kel O'Brien responds. He's trying to get into the wheel of the experienced Dutchman. Corbin Strong is waiting. Tesfatsion is in 4th spot, and Narvaez is breathing down his neck. Scaroni is fighting for the wheel. Kel O'Brien opens up the sprint, but he might have got a little too early. He starts to fade. It's Tesfatsion coming over the top. Pithy with the charge through the middle. Tesfatsion trying to hold on. It is photo finish. We await confirmation. Pithy might have got it.
For my money, he pipped him on the line, Tesfatsion, yeah. But we'll see. That was really close. I felt his greatest ever victories.
Jack Haig, welcome to the commentary box. Isn't it a lot of fun?
Wow, that was quite intense there. I think I stayed on a little bit 20 minutes longer than I was expected to, but I really enjoyed that.
You almost called the winner, Jack. You called the tack, didn't you? It was almost over the line.
That was a great sprint finish there in a reduced group, and a great to see. It looks like Lawrence Pitty could have won that there, but we'll wait for confirmation.
He deserves the win. He's been knocking on the door ever since he came to Australia.
Absolutely.
Here's a look at the photo.
Yeah, he's won it.
Ooh. Pithy by a whisker ahead of Tesfatsion. That's the tightest finish we've ever seen in the Cadel Evans Great Ocean Road Race.
What a great race by Trek there. They were really active throughout the race. Quinn was off the front. Mollema did attack there in the finish, and now finishing second.
Pithy going out the winner ahead of Tesfatsion. It was Zimmerman, then Strong, and Narvaez making up the top five.
I'm a slick motherfucker. We can